Fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never...
Alright, so today we are going to make a pumpkin pie, and the ingredients you will need for that are 3/4 cup light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We're also going to use a 1.5 cups of canned pumpkin, 1.5 cups of the condensed sweetened milk, and 1 beaten egg. And once that's all complete, we're going to throw that into 1 Marie Callender deep dish pie shell. Okay, so you're going to want to start by heating your oven to 450 degrees. Mixing the dry ingredients. First we got 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Got 1 tablespoon of flour. A half teaspoon of salt. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So now we're going to mix them together. And we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so we need 1 large beaten egg. Okay, so to our dry ingredients, we're going to add the beaten egg. Then we got to add 1.5 cups of the pumpkin pie mix. Or canned pumpkin, whatever. And then next we got 1.5 cups of the sweetened condensed milk. Get all that in there, and then we're going to mix it up. And you pour it into your Marie Callender pie crust. Alright, so we're going to throw that in the oven at 450 degrees for the first 10 minutes. And then we're going to lower that to 325 for about another 45 minutes or until she's done. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes at 450, so now we're going to turn the heat down to 325. And we're going to put, hey, it reached temperature quick. It's like, no. And now we're going to put a timer on for 45 minutes approximately. No, just hit 4-5. Now hit start. There we go. See you in 45 minutes. Alright, so we got a few minutes left, so we're going to open it up and check it. Is it a jiggle? No? Okay, put a toothpick in. Still a little messy. Yeah, so we're gonna finish it in another 5 minutes, okay? Like our golden girl hot handle, I know. Time's up. Uh-oh. What's the... What we got going on here? Pull that big mamma jam out of there. Alright. Ooh. Look at that. Now you just gotta let that cool, folks. Tomorrow we're gonna throw some whipped cream up on there and eat it. Yeah. See y'all later. Bye.
call me. I promise that you'll never be